I am Rahul Gupta, member Punjab State COVID Control Room. On this 53rd day of the curfew, following are the highlights. World COVID figures are confirmed cases 44,55,000, recovered cases 16,76,000, dead 2,99,000. For India, the figures are confirmed cases 78,810, recovered cases 26,675, dead 2,564. In Punjab, as of now, confirmed cases 1935, which is an increase of 11 over yesterday's figures. Recovered cases are 223, lives lost so far 32. For saving precious water, electricity, environment, and for promoting diversification of crops, on the recommendations of Punjab Agriculture University, the Agriculture Department has advised farmers to go for cultivation of PR 128 and PR 129 varieties of permal rice because it takes lesser time to mature, uses less water, less electricity, reduces air pollution, provides for better paddy straw management. These two varieties have been rigorously tested over the past 4 years, and it has been established that these are well suited for plantation in all the districts. Pusa 44 takes 130 days to mature, whereas these varieties take only about 110 days to mature. The rice milling industry too has given its go-ahead to these varieties, as these varieties also give 67% rice recovery, and the other quality parameters are also comparable and acceptable. Government has issued instructions regarding screening of persons coming into Punjab and reaching their destinations without being screened. It has been decided that such persons will be screened in the following manner. The Sarpanches and Nambardars shall inform the concerned SDM or the sector officer as and when such persons sneak into the village. In case of municipal corporations and councils, the municipal councillors and executive officers will inform the concerned SDM or the sector officer. As and when such report is received by the SDM or the sector officer, the rapid response team of that sector would be immediately activated and the medical screening of these persons shall be ensured. The civil surgeons will ensure that RRTs inform the concerned SMO and the district control room about any person found symptomatic, and such a person would be got tested immediately. Supervisory officer of the area and the surveillance officer will ensure that such persons strictly follow the health protocol issued by the health department. The curfew violations have reduced a bit, but the numbers are still increasing, which can be seen from the statistics as follows. On 1st May, the FIRs registered were 8,473, and today FIRs registered stand at 9,873, which is an increase of 1,400 in 14 days. On 1st May, arrests made were 12,162, but today total arrests made stand at 13,925, which is an increase of 1,763 arrests in 14 days. On 1st May, vehicles seized were 3,272, whereas today vehicles seized stand at 3,785, which is an increase of 513 in the last 14 days. All are requested to follow government guidelines on COVID-19 for their own safety and for the safety of others, and stay home as far as possible. That's all for today. Thank you.